Welcome to this introduction to Electronic Extensible Business Reporting Language, or EXBRL, a powerful MBRS-compliant solution that streamlines financial reporting video. With Ygl E Xbrl, businesses can eliminate the need for manual data entry and additional software installations. This solution enhances the integrity and reliability of financial data, accelerates reporting processes, and ensures accuracy, transparency, and regulatory compliance. Ygl E Xbrl transforms the way financial data is handled. It shifts resources away from time-consuming manual processes and automates data comparison, assembly, and re-entry. Here's how it works. First, users download the EXBRL master template, a complete audit report and financial statement that aligns with MBRS requirements. Next, they fill in the template with their financial data and submit it for processing. Finally, they download the XBRL file, ready for submission to MBRS, ensuring compliance with regulatory standards. EXBRL provides multiple advantages for businesses and financial professionals. Automation. It simplifies management reporting, providing a precise and streamlined solution that saves time and effort, allowing businesses to focus on growth. MBRS compliance. Ygl E Xbrl adheres to SSM's reporting standards, reducing the administrative burden for companies filing financial reports. Cost and time savings. By automating financial reporting, businesses eliminate manual data entry, reducing workforce limitations and optimizing workflows. Ease of use. Standardized data input ensures seamless disclosure management, reducing errors and making financial reporting more efficient. And most importantly, security. EXBRL encrypts financial data, ensuring privacy and protection against unauthorized access.